Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear student. We are going to have the last lesson in our syllabus today, the particle theory and rate of reaction. The particle theory and rate of reaction. We will ask a question for Roba. Yes, Roba. What are the factors affect the rate of reaction? Roba. This is the question. Okay, Mariam. Mariam.
Concentration.
Yes.
Good morning, Mr.
Good morning.
Concentration,
Hmm.
particle size,
Yes.
and temperature.
And the last one, catalyst.
Yes,
Catalyst. Okay. Today we are going to make a relationship between the particle theory and the rate of reaction. We have today the simple lesson. Okay. We have seen that the particle theory of the matter can be used to explain the physical change such as melting and freezing. The particle theory of matter can also be used to the factor that affect the rate of reaction. The first one, concentration. How the concentration of the reactants affect the rate of reaction. Look at this diagram. Increase the concentration solution, increase the number of particles. Okay, increase the number of collisions, and so increase the rate of reaction. Again, how the concentration of the reactants in chemical reaction increase the rate of reaction. This diagram explains this point. Increase the concentration of solution, increase the number of particles, increase the number of collisions, and the rate, and so increase the rate of reaction. Understand? Anyone don't understand this point? If anyone don't understand this point, please raise your hand. Hussein, yes, Hussein.
Mr. I didn't understand the concentration.
Okay, listen to me carefully. As a first, concentration, what's the meaning of concentration? Concentration means the amount of solutes, in solvent. Any solution consists of two substances. Any solution consists of two substances, solutes and solvent. The amount of solutes in solvent detects the concentration of this solution. Like, for example, you make salty solution. Okay, if the amount of salt increase in the solvent water, so this solution is called concentrated. But the number of solutes is fewer in the solvent, so it is called dilute solution. Solution can classify into dilute and concentrate. Okay, dilute means fewer amount of solutes. Okay, concentrate mean large amount of solutes. So, in any chemical reaction, increase of concentration of the reactants increase the number of particles in the reaction, so increase the number of collisions. What's the meaning of collisions? Mean the reaction particles join to each other. So increase the rate of reaction. Again, increase the concentration of solution, increase the number of particles, increase the number of collisions, and increase the rate of reaction. Hussein معايا؟ Hussein, understand now? Yes. Huh? Yes, Hussein?
Yes, Mr. I understood.
Yes. The next point, particle size. Here, what's the meaning of particle? Doesn't mean tiny particles. But by particle theory, the matter we can mean particle is small particle. Large cube of smaller surface has smaller surface than many smaller does. Like this, a cube of iron. Okay. This is 1 gram of iron, and this particle of iron, and this also 1 gram. In this case, has much surface area than this cube, okay? But the same mass, but in powder or tiny particle of the iron has large mass surface area, okay? So the smaller surface area, the smaller chance of collisions between particle and in the surface and the particle of the reactions. This is explained by the following diagram. Increase the surface area, increase the chance of collisions, increase the rate of reaction. Again, increase the surface area, increase the chance of collisions, and so increase the rate of reaction. Anyone don't understand this point, please raise your hand. Okay. Yes. Toa? Yes, Toa?
Yes, Mr. I didn't understand the particle size again. Can you explain it?
Yes. Again, how the particle size affects the rate of reaction? We are going to make simple experiment. Take a cube of iron and interact with metal hydrochloric acid. Okay, Fe with hydrochloric acid HCl. The reduction here is FeCl2 and hydrogen gas is erased. Okay. This is two test tube A and B. Put here the same amount A and test tube B. Put here the same amount of HCl. Okay, but here put cube 1 gram of iron in the form of cube. Okay, 1 cube, but has the same mass to the tiny particle of iron. Here in the test tube B, put 1 gram of iron, but have simple powder particle. but the same amount of mass. But here it has one space, one piece, but here has large pieces. Observation, there is the gas formed here is larger than the formed in P, in A. Why? Because here there is much surface area in test tube B, so there is increase in the chance of collisions, so the rate of reaction increase. We can do this by but here how can detect it by make stirring the volume of hydrogen gas here is much than the volume of gas here. Okay? Understand now, Toa? The surface area increase the chance of collisions, so increase the rate of reaction. Toa, understand?
Yes, Mr. I understand. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Now, the next point, temperature. We can explain the temperature and its effect on the rate of reaction by this following diagram. Increase the temperature, okay? Increase the speed of particle movement. So increase the chance of collisions between reactants. So increase the rate of reaction. Again, increase the temperature, increase the speed of particle movement, increase the chance collisions between reactants, so increase the rate of reaction. Again, increase at the first, increase temperature, increase speed movement of particles, reactants inside the chemical reaction, increase the chance of collisions between particles of reactants, increase the rate of reaction. Okay, if anyone don't understand this point, raise your hand. Okay. The last point, catalyst. What's the meaning of catalyst? If anyone don't, if one you know the meaning of catalyst, raise your hand. What's the meaning of catalyst? Safe is reason. Safe.
Hello, Mr.
What's the meaning of catalyst?
Okay. It is a substance that is added to the reactant to increase the rate at which they react.
Okay, very good. One. What's the meaning of catalyst? If you don't know. Okay. The catalyst is chemical substance which speeds the chemical reaction in the rate of reaction in chemical reaction. Catalyst has a surface on which the reactants can settle and join to it. This specific area in the catalyst is called site active or active site. Active site. Active site. An active site in the catalyst or reactant join to it to make the chemical reaction. Increase the catalyst increase the chance of particle meeting. So here by using active site, this allows the reactant to increase the chance of meeting. So increase the rate of reaction. Again, every catalyst has a specific area on each surface. It's called active site. Active site is the space of area in the catalyst where the reactants join to each other and the chemical reaction take place. So presence of catalyst in chemical reaction increase the chance of particle meeting. So increase the rate of reaction. Again, catalyst is a chemical substance which speeds the chemical reaction. Catalyst, each catalyst has a specific area on each surface. It's called active site. What's the importance of active site? Active site is an area, specific area on the catalyst where the particle of reactants meeting. So it increases the chance of meeting of particles, so increase the rate of reaction. If anyone don't understand this point, please raise your hand. It's the last point in our lesson today. If anyone don't understand anything. Yes, Mariam. Yes, Mariam.
Mister, I have a question.
Yes, yes. Okay.
How long does it take for a catalyst to speed up a chemical reaction?
Is no limited time. It is the time take according to the type of the chemical reaction. Okay, and the amount of reactants. Okay, the catalyst, a time of catalyst depend on two.
So it's not a certain time.
No,
right?
no certain time. Depend on the type of chemical action and amount of reactants in chemical reaction. Okay.
Okay.
There is any question?
Thank you, Mister.
Thank you. Oh, okay. Inshallah, Thursday there is a simple quiz on school site web. Okay. I will send a revision sheet tomorrow, inshallah. Revision sheet for this quiz. Okay. Goodbye and good luck. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.